Yanique Curvy Diva slapped with simple larceny, malicious destruction of property charges. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Media personality Yanique Barrett, more popularly known as Curvy Diva, has been slapped with simple larceny, housebreaking and malicious destruction of property in relation to an incident on Dunrobin Avenue in July 2023. Reports are that at around 7:28 p.m., a business owner securely locked his business establishment before leaving the premises. Shortly after, 39-year-old Barrett, who previously had a business relationship with the owner, was allegedly observed on the property accompanied by a locksmith. Upon being alerted, the business owner returned to the premises where he found that the locks have been cut, furniture and other items missing, and damage have been done to the building, the police said. Barrett was formally charged on Thursday, December the 5th, 2024. She is scheduled to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Thursday, December the 12th. Since this news broke, the social media sensation has took to social media just in order to update her fans about what transpired. In a post on her social media account, the Curvy Diva wrote, "I am aware that many of you may have heard the recent news yesterday. I was formally charged. On the advice of my legal counsel, I am unable to discuss the details of the matter at this time. However, I want to assure you that I will have my day in court where the truth will prevail. I maintain my innocence regarding these baseless accusations. Unfortunately, my former landlord, where I previously operated my restaurant on Dunrobin Avenue, is the center of this unwarranted situation. I will provide further updates as the legal process unfolds," the Curvy Diva wrote. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.